Good morning, year two. It is Monday today, this lesson, and I have got a little challenge for you to do today. So we've got here a word challenge. So look at this word. It says rainbow, doesn't it? I'd like you to write down other words that can be made from just using these letters. There is one here that is already been done for you. So I would like you to come up with as many words as you can write from just these letters. So I'd write these letters down on a piece of paper and see what words you can come up with from this. I can see here two more words that I'd use without needing to jumble the words up, but you could also jumble the words up to find some different words just using those letters, okay? That is your first little challenge I want you to do today, okay? Oh, do you know what a word is made up of two words is called? So, look here. If you look here, there are two words and it makes a compound word. So there's two words that are put together and they make one word though, but they can also be two words on their own. So we've got here the word foot and we've got over here the word ball. So when we push these together, it makes a compound word because it makes the word football. We've got the word here bedroom, jelly, fish, out and side, play and ground, air and port. Oh, a port is like a port, so you'd have like a fishing port or a port. A port is where boats set off from, like ferries. So if you go to France, you'd go to the port, which is in Dover, maybe, and Calais is a port where the boats are. News, paper, class, and a room. So it makes the word classroom, doesn't it? So there's another challenge here. To use this list to make a new compound word and write a definition for it. For example, they've picked the word here for the first one, jelly, and ground, jelly ground. And they're saying it's a boggy area where the ground is soft and wobbles when walked upon. This is your chance to invent some new words here. So I might have the word, so we've got bedroom, I might have foot room. So I made up the word foot room. A foot room is a place where your foot is taken care of. So you can be as silly as you like in these. Just, yeah, have a lovely time with this and just make up some new words and write down what your new words mean. So here there's a space here, or you can use a new piece of paper if you've got one. And yeah, come up with some new words with just using one side of it and then another side to make it a compound word. So we've learned something new today because we haven't learned about that before. So a compound word is when two words can be used on their own, but they can also be pushed together to make a word. So if we look at the word rainbow, that's a compound word. And I want you to have a look and see if you can tell me why you think that is a compound word. So is there two words in there that you could use on their own, but pushed together, they make one word? Have a talk to the person next to you and see if you can find that word. Well done. Yeah, I think you can see that word, can't you? We've got here the word rain and we've got here the word bow. So pushed together, it makes rainbow. But rain, we know is a word on its own. You know, it rains and we know that what that means. Bow is like some children wear bows in their hair, don't they? So we know that that's a word on its own as well. But pushed together, it makes a compound word because it's made up of two different words that could be on their own as well. So see if you can have a go at this challenge here. So you can pause your video here, so you can see them, or you can use the sheet of paper that you've got in your work pack if you've got your work pack in front of you. So this is lesson 9 that we've got in our work pack. Okay, so we might not actually get through all of this because there's another reading challenge to get on with for our next lesson. But when I send out the new work pack, if you've got any more of this rainbow work to do, you can just do it in your own time, okay? Because I think we'll move on to the next work pack when it's time and not keep up with this one. So this one can just be done in your own time if you want to. Okay, have a lovely day today on Monday, and I hope you're all safe and well and you've had a lovely weekend, whatever you've managed to do, if you've managed to get outside and have a nice little walk somewhere safely. But yeah, keep safe, keep well, keep in touch if you need anything at all. See you later. Bye.